Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use emojis in Monopoly Go. So let's jump into it. So emojis are now currently available, and to see them what you need to do is you need to press in the top right hand corner the three lines which is the menu button. And what you want to do is you want to press on My Showroom, and then you want to press the third button at the bottom which is the Emojis button. So if you press onto emojis, you can see that currently everyone should have this default emoji. Now, to go ahead and to use emojis, what you need to do is land onto a train station space, and you actually need to enable a shutdown, or you can also do this on a bank heist. And you can see when you've completed the bank heist or shutdown, you've got the option to select an emoji and use an emoji like this. So you just want to press that button and you can choose an emoji, and that's how you can use emojis. I really hope that this tutorial helped you out today. If it did, if you guys could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it means so much to us. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.